How to use Postmates promo codes. If you want to use promo codes on Postmates, what we can do is we can go ahead and then first you can download the promo codes or the Postmates app, or you could go to postmates.com and make sure to log into your account. Then click on the three lines icon located at the top left of the screen. Simply go to the option called Wallet. From Wallet, you're going to be able to land on this page where if you scroll down, you'll find the option called Vouchers. Then you'll find the button that says Add Voucher, so just make sure to click on it. Here, simply make sure to enter the voucher code that you have, which is also your promo code by the way. So all those codes will go over here. Once you type in the code and hit the add button, depending upon the value of the promo code, next time when you order something, the discount will be automatically applied. Now, after you've ordered right and you're on the checkout page, in that way also you can go ahead and then apply the promo code, but you must do so before placing the order and during the checkout. After placing the order, you cannot add that promo code. You can cancel it and create a new order and add a promo code again, but after you've already confirmed the order, you can't place another promo code. That is all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.